What's up guys? Do you want to type Bombsquad icons on chat? Well, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you just that. So, let's get started. Before moving on to the video, I want to thank you guys that our channel have reached 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move on to the 100 subscribers special video. First of all, open your file manager. Now go to downloads and there you will see a file named normalicons.txt and the download link in the description below. Now click the file and open with the app Quick Edit. And if you haven't installed the Quick Edit app, download link in the description. Now copy these icons as shown in the video. Now to copy these icons, click the copy button. Now exit this app and open Bombsquad. Now go to Bombsquad chat and paste these icons. Now send it. And tada! You can type Bombsquad icons on chat. Now let me edit this. Now we are creating a message like hi with icons. Now copy the first icon, select it and copy it and paste it at the end. And send it. And you can see that we are typing hi. Okay, let me show you this. Now, what if we need to type different messages like bye? It is easy, no? First type the icons and edit the icons and just type whatever message you like. I type bye and copy the first icon, select it, copy it and paste it at the back. And tada, we have our another message. But now how to type our older message hi? Again follow these steps? No, there are many ways to do this, like copying two messages at once, but it is too much work. In the next part of this tutorial, I will teach you how to order these messages that look like this. And that's it for this tutorial guys. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button and share it to your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.